my wonderful people. So me and Goddess_DJ on Instagram have a special going on. Let me show you. Right now, until June 24th, me and Goddess_DJ, right up there in the corner, you see it right up there? So we have a special going on. You can get 3 8-ounce Seamoss jars for $35 until June 24th plus shipping. Shipping is about $17, right? And it's only for the first 10 people. Over here, first 10 people. I already got some, and it's delicious. I put it in my waters every day. It's really good for your body. But if you were looking for Seamoss, she has a special going on until June 24th. And she's going to start taking orders tomorrow, first 10 people only. So if you're interested, contact Goddess_DJ on Instagram only. She has an account on TikTok, but only on Instagram. That's why I put it on the brochure, because people can't read. But look, I'm just playing. But look, y'all go follow her, Goddess_DJ up there on Instagram, and tell her you want the V-Pack. First 10 people only. I love you, and I appreciate you coming through.